Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today I got something cool for you. It's a case study for a residential home cleaning service. Check this out. Okay. So before I get into this 30-day case study, guys, for residential house cleaning, I want to say this. What you're about to see, and I say this in all my case study videos because it's true, what you're about to see is a template. We already have this campaign. It works. We have the landing page. It works. We have all the keywords, all the ads, all the call to actions, all of the ad extensions and ad assets. We have everything. So if you are a cleaning company or you have a client who is a cleaning company, you want us to clone this campaign and everything that goes with it, swap in your client or your information and deploy it to your location to get leads for your residential home cleaning business, then click the application link in the description below this video, and we can apply to work with you, assuming your territory is not already taken by one of our other clients. So I just want to get that out there before we get started, guys, that what you're about to see is rinse and repeatable. We do this all across the country. All right. So that said, residential house cleaning, they are $100 a day, Monday through Friday. And we're looking at the last 30 days, which is November 13th to today, which is actually December 13th. So in that time frame, last 30 days, 225 clicks, 2,122 impressions, 10.6% click-through rate, which is freaking awesome. We always want to be over 5% for that. Average cost per click is $9.41, which is actually not that high considering the competitiveness of the location of this client. Total cost of the campaign for the last 30 days for this business was $2,117. They've gotten 34 leads, which is a mixture of phone calls and contact form submissions. Contact form submissions are, I believe it's a questionnaire, name, email, phone number, tell us about the type of service. And it's like a drop-down box where it can be like, home cleaning, different services they offer for home cleaning. And then I think also there's a drop-down box with how often do you need cleaning, and it's like weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, I believe. I have to double check, but it's different for all these residential cleaning clients. They all want different things. Total cost per lead, $62. That's great for first 30 days. I'm happy with that. Conversion rate, 15%. Good start. Ideally, as you guys have watched my case studies before, I always want to be in the 20% range. But for the first 30 days, this is good. We're still working on the campaign. We'll get it over that 20 line. So all in all, great first 30 days stats. Next, I'm going to go into the conversion actions, and I'm going to show you guys the types of leads that are actually coming over and where they're more weighted towards phone calls or contact form leads. So let's dive right into that. So we're in the last 30 days of data. And again, we're looking at the conversion actions for this residential home cleaning client. And I'm going to walk you through all we have set up, which is call extension leads, contact form leads, and phone call leads. And I'll go through each one. So first up, call extension lead drove one phone call in the last 30 days. This simply is just a call tracking number that we've attached to our Google ad. And people can call directly from the Google ad if they want to do that. So that's driven one phone call. So contact form lead. So we have our multi-step contact form lead, 27 leads. So that is heavily the bulk of all the lead generation for this client was contact form leads, and the hook is to get pricing. So that's the hook for the contact form leads and for the phone calls. So keep that in mind. So these people they're looking for a maid service or a house cleaning service, and they want pricing for it. So that's the hook for them to opt in. So obviously the bulk, 27 of those leads out of the, I think it was 34 or something, I forget. We showed in the first part of the video. 27 of that was full contact forms. And then we have 6 phone calls. So a phone call conversion action is simply someone who sees our ad, searches a keyword, sees our ad, clicks our ad, goes to our landing page, and then from the landing page, they pick up the phone and call. And every single number that is displayed on the landing page is a call tracking number, so we can track exactly where it came from down to the keyword. And that drove 6 inbound phone calls. So total for the first 30 days, 7 inbound phone calls, 27 contact form leads. So that's a solid first 30 days. Next, let's go into the keywords, and I'll show you the actual keywords we're going after. Okay, so we're looking at the campaign now at the ad group level. So you see here we have a bunch of different ad groups, all very, very relevant to what the client does. The client is a residential house cleaner, right? So technically a maid service type situation. So we're going after house cleaning services, residential house cleaning, geo ad groups are in Virginia, a bunch of cities in Virginia, so we have a bunch of those. Then we have even generic ad groups like hire a maid, right? So you can see here the ad groups we're going after. We're very, very targeted. Maid cleaning service. We're not leaving anything up to chance here. So if we go into the keywords at the account level, the campaign level, you'll see here. Let me expand these for you guys. Everything we're going after is phrase and exact match only because we want to keep that quality tight. We don't want any broad match stuff, especially in house cleaning because you're going to get crushed with tons of irrelevant stuff. And oh, look, we found one to pause. So 0 for 12 in the last 30 days. Adios. You'll see here all the keywords that are driving leads. So if we sort, let's get the top. There we go. So house cleaning services, 7 leads. Homemade cleaning service, 5 leads. Hire a maid cleaning services, 3 leads. I mean, it doesn't get more targeted than that. Now keep in mind too, guys, the people that are searching these terms, they're searching these terms, they're seeing our ad that's talking about these terms, they're coming to our landing page, and the hook is to get pricing for maid services and home cleaning services. I forget how we have it laid out, but it's either I think it's just house cleaning service, like cost or something like that, or get a quote for your house. And then we walk them through a multi-step form where we ask them a bunch of questions first up front. So they're disarming questions first. If you walk through this form, it's pretty cool. It's like tell us about the service you're looking for, and it's a bunch of different like house cleaning services. And then the next in the multi-step, they hit next, and it goes to another drop-down box where it says tell us. I think it's how often you need your house cleaned or house cleaning services, and it's like weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. So basically what I'm saying is we're asking them in a multi-step process, disarming questions first before we get to something like your name, your phone number, your email, any kind of like, we want to commit them to the process, and that's the thought process behind why we use these multi-step forms now, is we're committing them with disarming questions first, and then they just feel like they have to follow through. So that's what's going on with that. And again, the hook is to get pricing. So a lot of cheaper leads here, $10 to $50, which is great. The higher ones down here, complete house cleaning services. So that's 111. That's way out of our range. So it's 107 house cleaning rates. But as for right now, I want to get more data before I decide to do that, because like this one, where is it? 111. It's got 11 clicks, so it's 1 for 11. Not great conversion rate. But that totally changes if a lead or a click comes in from this today, and then we get another lead. That cost splits in half. So I want to let that run with more data before I decide to pause that. And then not much action down here. So it's all just a few terms that are driving all of our leads. And as you can see, guys, a lot of geo stuff. But these are basic terms. It's all about the message match, right? Keyword to ad to landing page. And you have to make sure you have a strong hook that makes people want to call or makes them want to fill out a form to get something in return. Solve their problem, they will become a lead. Easy as that. So that's all I got for you today on the house cleaning case study. Overall, solid 30 days. Not bad. If you want to keep watching, I have, what is it? Commercial cleaning, I think, is next up. It's a commercial cleaning case study, which is also pretty cool. Yeah, we got a bunch of those guys too, so check that out. All right, guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Oh, and also if you have any questions about this campaign, anything at all, just drop them in the comments section below.